Hi friends, welcome to Fun English. It's fun to learn English. This video, we are going to learn about some tools and equipments in a kitchen. This is a stove. This is a stove. This is a microwave. This is a microwave. This is a frying pan. This is a frying pan. This is a cup. This is a cup. These are a fork, a plate, and a spoon. This is a blender. This is a blender. This is a pot. This is a pot. This is a fridge. This is a fridge. This is a coffee machine. This is a coffee machine. Thank you for learning English with me. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Bye bye.